To Bravo 6 actual. Perimeter is secure. We have a possible hit on the missile container. We're moving in now.
Solid copy. All Bravo, move to set. We're on.
05 copies all.
Bravo 6-2 is 20 seconds from the target building. Intel reports multiple AQ inside.
Ghost, get your overwatch. Launch, on the move. 456 is our primary objective. It's well fortified with limited access. Sun may be holed up there.
Copy. Let's nail this bastard once and for all, son.
Move!
Sector 1-1 being deployed. Moving out now. Sector 1-2, inside the action.
Bravo 6, moving to home point.
Copy. 5 set at the ground floor.
So, hook up.
سلام واشد که دیگه چه من ویدیو هم چه مدرن وارفر 2 گیم پلی
Hook up, Sergeant. Let's get after her son.
آخری قسمت چه یه بقول لعبه گیم پلی مرحله آخری نی خب بهتر چی که مرحله یه گیم پلی هم بگندیم من کانالا که تازه آشنا بگیم کانالا
Hook up, Sergeant. Let's get after her son.
کامنت پلی مواسه کانال معرفی کنیم وقتی دوست رفیقم بعد بریم که یه گیم پلی هم دیگه بگیم
Hook up, Sergeant. Let's get after her son.
خب بریم که
Where's that? You have eyes on? Affirm. Flashing now.
Copy visuality. What have you got?
Civilians. Hostages.
بی خیال
You lads clear all threats. Bravo 3 secures the hostages.
بچه برعکس ما برابر
Position if you need. 2 X-rays below. You're clear to engage. Can't sneak past. They'll spot you. Clear.
جیان بلکه برعکس ما چور کرد
4 X-rays ahead. 3 in the room, 1 in the hallway.
What the
4 X-rays. Drop them fast.
اکی ایشه اکی آی اکی آها
1 in the hallway, 3 in the room.
باشه بلشش تو بجنم از اولی یه دوینم باید بجنم فکر کنم اوه مگه دیونه
We're losing time. Engage.
اوکی تو صحیح نبیده دیتی من آخر لازم
Clear.
خب
So, sit rep.
1 floor to go.
اکی تو برعکس ما
In position on the target next floor.
خب ده
3 move in, 2 stationary. Get a visual before you engage.
خب ای باید
There's 5 of them. Bravo, we're clear on
جان
07 copy. Moving.
کوی برام
Race. All hostages secure.
Copy. Rally on the server floor. Charges set. Get clear.
اه برو دیگه
Watch your armor on the target floor. What's your status?
آفرین پسر خوب
Johnson missile is active. It's in first stage. Be advised, controls are not in the container.
اه دروب روشه کنم
Target area now. Out.
حساب کن
We need those controls.
اه واشید بان ولا ميكي قون شوكيني.
Let's hope it sounds here.
Okay, let's go buddy. کجا رहे تو؟ جان بیا اکی تو ظاهر shotgun?
Clear. Negative on this end. Move up.
بیا مرد کا بیا
Keep us headed to the server room, Sergeant.
چی نہیں آئے گی تو چون هم تیمیه بده جنگ بده یا پیر تو چه کجاست که کاپیتان دهنت سرویس بیا دیگه یار پر شامانا جتا نه نامر نه آئے گی آدھی اما
Move up.
شاتگانی بیا بیا دیگه
Ammo's running low.
این نامرد تو بخش نیت نهی ای تو روحت کیه نمیگوامد که لازمش یا پیریزریو
Clear. Clear.
مارکو کلیر جنه چک
All stations. Negative on target.
دو ساعت من گوشم ویلی کتم من گوشم درگیرم کمونیز کلیر کن یا پیر ای بچه تیوتی یو بسی ده نارده که دورده که جای تو چی تا چگه خوشی یه بسی موافق نہیں بری عربم زره بچه 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 तीर कोट्टा यार शुद्ध पंगे और तीर कोट्टा पीछे वस्तर नहीं ये मेरी फेवरेट क्या नहीं ओ तेरी के ये वर्ष तो पाएंगे کجی عمر
Out the control room.
اوکی تو پانگی بگیرین چرا اما کلاش میتی بهتره تیری مانی کجا بیتی هیچ کدام تیری من ایشی تیر میره داری اه تو که ده تیر رو گرم خلاص تیره بی خیال
Visual on the control room. All stations negative on
نبی
Hassan.
بیا تو پانگ
Control room
ہوتی
is
ہے
a dry
تیم لائیو
hole.
نبی
Ghost, you got anything?
Affirm. Possible visual 46th floor.
Copy. We're moving.
جون
Back up,
شیکاگو
Sergeant.
دیگه شیکاگو واشی نمای بجان ترکیم
Hook up.
تو برو
Entry point is 4 levels down.
All
فور
Bravo 5 make
لیولز
an entry
دن
on
چار
Copy. We'll push him
چار
your way.
دانه
Let's
طبقه
tighten
برج
the
عالو
noose.
کی
So
طبقه
if we
کی تو
find
بلد
those
منو
controls,
بلد
it's up
هم
to you to
بیا
disarm that missile.
Copy that. Done it once before.
RPG!
ای کنی دیم
Shoot her down! All Bravo, be advised. Hassan is in the stairwell. He's moving down. Solid copy. Gaz! He's headed your way. Dropped him. Roger that. Loading.
تمامی نیست امر چیکاره بایی
Clear!
Gaz, sit rep.
07, target's cornered, floor 46.
Copy, we're moving to you. On me, Sergeant. Let's hit the stairs.
بریم من تیر رنده تره تیر نی آقا سری بزیر بیجن دارم موچ کجا باید
Downstairs.
برین جالا
Move!
اونگا برین جالا اوه دانچا چه هوا
All stations missile is hot. I say again, the missile is wanted.
Fucking hell.
اوه
Watcher,
موشک
where's the
گتی بایی
target?
Unknown, we're working on it.
Copy. We're going for Hassan. This way, Sergeant.
موشک شو بچه دیر رسیدیم
Gaz, where's Hassan?
End of the hall. Hassan's held up behind those doors.
Well, let's clear this out and bag him then. Where's the sun?
We got him cornered in this room. Follow me. The sun's behind those doors.
اوف لئو اوف لخو يعني شو بتشوي اوف له وي عجاب अब का شما ایده دیر نه آیا مجبور شما پر زور دیر کنم ازش ای خدا پاچ نکنه که داره دی چی کنه
Guys, where's the sun?
End of the hall. The sun's held up behind those doors.
Well, let's clear this out and bag him then.
Grenade out! Got him!
Where's the sun?
We got him cornered in this room. Follow me. The sun's behind those doors.
I'll stick a camera in there. So, get positive ID on the sun. We need those controls.
I'll get them.
یا چی بید بچه جت مارا با اوه اسنی اسنه بچه اسنه تیم جنایی بی
You broken? I'm good. Go, you got this.
Soap, let's move.
Watcher, Hassan has the missile controls. We're going after him.
Copy. Be advised the missile is headed towards DC. We don't have much time to divert.
We'll get him.
Take point, Sergeant. The sun's in the last car.
what the هر جای بدبختی صبح چو روزوان داتی اصلا جای بالاخره اصلا کل خرابه آسان سرو RPG جنه آمد باشه تاچ
So, what's the status?
Construction floor. Control secured. Lost my weapon.
Copy. Stay out of sight. Passing comms to what you want.
Soap, the missile was launched, so you'll have to remote detonate it.
That I haven't done.
I will guide you, but it will take time. Open the controls when you're ready. Soap, get to a secure location and open the controls. Sergeant, you need to move fast. We only have minutes, if that.
As a soldier, it's my duty
Get safe and open the controls. We have to do this now.
अरे साहब कहाँ
Sergeant, you need to move fast. We only have minutes, if that.
America is soft and weak. They start wars, but they have lost the will to fight.
Sergeant, the missile's halfway to target. You need to finish the sequence.
Okay, I'm ready. Shite. The target is DC. Coordinates 38, -77.
मुझे कहोगे मुझे करियर
He's going for Shepard.
No, Shepard's gone.
Yeah, well, there's 30,000 people who aren't. Finish it.
Sergeant, First, you have to enable diagnostic mode. Hit clear and mode at the same time.
I'm in.
Next is the override. You should see 4 columns of data. I need to know what's in row 2, column 3.
We are your
Row
executioners.
2 column 3 row
Row 2,
2
column 3.
Your home. How does it feel? Huh?
Percent sign. Echo, Sierra, Papa.
That did it. Now hit left and clear to initiate override. Left and clear, Sergeant.
We
Gentlemen,
have resisted your forces from the Gulf of Oman.
Press left and
to the
clear
eastern
for
shores of the
override. We're
Mediterranean
almost
Sea.
done.
left چی؟
Override on.
Copy. Get safe. This next part will make some noise.
Let's go. Hold on.
Last step. Hit link when the green light is in the 4th position.
Okay, I'm back up. It's detonated.
Copy that. Air Force will confirm. Thank you, Sergeant.
Yeah. Pleasure doing business with you lads. Well,
چکه دانگفان
Where's
گرفته
Hassan?
not alone. He's got AQ guards with him. I'm gonna kill every one of them, and then I'm going for him.
Your empire
Oh,
has
yeah.
fallen from within.
Steaming bloody fucking Jesus.
Nicely done, Johnny. Now for the hard part.
That was the fucking hard part, LT.
Let's find out. You need to stay alive, take out the guards, and kill Hassan.
I just need a
Okay.
weapon.
Make one.
This is so
Aye.
because your
şeyde
people are
yeniyim
Like old times, huh, LT?
Seems like yesterday.
It was yesterday.
You are the world's greatest terrorists. And now you
Look for
terrorize
crafting
yourself.
materials.
Found a mousetrap. I can make a gas trap.
Lob it where you like and lure him to it.
അടുക്കം പോയി അടുക്കം പത്
You become the thing you're trying to destroy.
Crafted a glass shiv.
That's the way, Johnny. Stand one and stab him.
How dare General Shepard point his trigger fingers at my great nation?
اساس بچا برای چاری چطوری بگیره نشان یکیه چیه ده
Found tape. Found some wax.
Used for smoke traps, if you remember.
People. Now his missile has come home. I would happily watch as he sliced his throat with his own knife.
Found some glass. Tape and glass. Got myself a shiv. There's a microwave.
Find some metal. You can spark it and distract one.
Where?
Check the workers' scrap bins. Might find some there.
Chemicals.
Could be used for a trap.
How does it feel to be alone?
أنا متروشة أو does it feel چه داره تناوي أنا متروشة لا سبكم ودنبالكم ماتيريالا وندرة يار
All by yourself now.
أو
Found a candle. This can make me a smoke bomb.
Throw it at the guard and do what you can to end them.
Got some tape. Can make a gas trap with us.
Lob it where you like and lure him to it.
I can make a shiv now.
شو
Found some
شو
scrap
جاي
metal.
معكم بور ينسى وسائلها
No one can save you.
کسی نتونی اسی طرح نجات بده وقت تو نجات دیں سب کو تو
They left you to die.
برین که بجنه پروژکتور
Pry open one of these toolboxes.
Careful, Johnny. That'll make noise.
Grab tape.
نامردی مکن دوی هم دوامه های
You shit! Stab him now!
فنگ آمونه لوٹه صحیح میگی نامردی هستا و صحیح میمندی اصلا نہیں اصلا کچله ای پتروال بازی منه ده ادامه داستانی ده جنه که بی در هر صورت پسا خب برین که چاره اصلا چی کنگی او نامر لوٹی دوری ده بچه مکان
Ghost.
لعنت سرویس اصلا
Watch the window.
اصلا دماغ خرابی
We're not attacking. We are invading.
گستی جان جان بیا قشنگ او من جانم برو بره برو سر توکا
Perfect shot,
تو
LT.
تلاپی
You called it, Sergeant. All
جان
stations. Assange down. Enemy KIA.
اصلا داون بیاین enemy KIA
Officials are saying a power surge is to blame for an explosion over downtown Chicago last night, due to severe winds leaving thousands of residents in the dark. Electricity is expected to be restored by this evening. In other news,
CIA shit.
Creative writing.
I'll never tell.
AQ. Iran.
Cartels. Russians.
Shepard. Shadow. They got past us.
We'll have a head start. It's cutting the heads off snakes. Any sign of Shepard?
Totally off the grid.
Oh, we'll find him.
Now we've got bigger fish. I've done some digging on the Russians.
Well, that's a dirty job.
Ultra-nationalists ambushed that convoy, John.
Okay, this is over.
No, it's not. They're working with someone new. We don't know his name.
He's not new.
مارین شون داره خب
Who is he?
Makarov.
اوه ماکرون با بچه خب یه بخش داستانی کمپین مدرن وارفر 2 که یه هم آخری قسمتی که تمام بید بعد چاره بعدیشی مدرن وارفر 3 2023 گیم پلی شما سیر کنه هم آنلاینی یعنی هم مولتی هم داستانی یه مدت تو که مولتی پلیر چه مدرن وارفر 2 من کمتر لعب کو، یعنی در واقع یک دانگی گیم پلیر کو شما هسته یک روچی که لعب کو تو که در واقع شما سیر کو، چون گشتر یعنی ما جدیدین مدرن وارفر 3 لعب کنگم، هم جدیدتر هم مپی وشتر هم. بعد الا کمپین مدرن وارفر 3 که شروع کنه قسمت مولتی گشتر احتمالا یر بکنه شما هسته. خب یه بقول پارت هم اگر شما رو پسند بید تو واش بید شما رو گیم پلی می ویدیو لایک بکنه و شیر بکنه تا گیم پلی جدید و بازی جدید فعلا.